Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make Vietnamese spring rolls with red beet sauce. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of peeled red shrimp, 200 grams Grand Krust, half an onion, half a red pepper, 1 carrot, 100 grams of shiitake mushrooms, olive oil, 50 milliliters of soy sauce, 12 sheets of rice paper, 1 cooked red beet, drops of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and sunflower oil. Start by heating some olive oil in a wok. Cut the vegetables into small pieces. When the oil is hot, stir-fry the vegetables and set them aside. In the same wok, add a few more drops of oil and stir-fry the shrimp for a couple of minutes. Next, add the vegetables and half of the soy sauce, then set aside. Put the rice paper in a bowl of cold water for a couple of minutes to rehydrate them. If you don't have rice paper, you can use filo pastry. In that case, it's not necessary to moisten. Remove the rice paper and put them on a clean kitchen towel. Fill and roll them. Close the ends first to keep the filling from spilling out. When you're done, set them aside. Next, heat some sesame oil in a pan and sauté the chopped red beets for a couple of minutes. Put the red beets in an electric mixer with some lemon juice and the other half of the soy sauce. Blend everything well and set aside. Next, heat some sunflower oil until it's hot. Fry the spring rolls and then transfer them to a kitchen towel. The only thing left is to plate them. Put a little red beet sauce on a plate, place a spring roll on top, and it's ready to serve. Bon appetit!